Your home's windows are much more than just functional openings to let in natural light and fresh air. They are essential components that help maintain your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. However, like any part of your home, windows wear out over time. In Gilbert's hot desert climate, windows are constantly exposed to the harsh Arizona sun, fluctuating temperatures, and occasional dust storms, all of which can take a toll on their performance. Recognizing when your windows need replacing can save you money on energy bills, prevent further damage, and boost your home's curb appeal. If you're wondering whether your windows are due for a replacement, here are some key signs to look for. 1. Visible damage or wear and tear. One of the most obvious signs that your windows need to be replaced is visible damage. Cracked, chipped, or broken panes can compromise your home's insulation and security, while damaged frames may allow drafts to enter. In Gilbert's intense summer heat, even minor cracks can become a serious issue, as they allow hot air to enter your home, making it harder to maintain a cool and comfortable indoor temperature. Additionally, weathered frames, whether wood, vinyl, or aluminum, can become warped, cracked, or faded from sun exposure. If your window frames are showing visible signs of aging, it's a good indication that your windows are no longer performing optimally and should be replaced soon. 2. Increased energy bills. One of the primary reasons to replace old windows is their impact on your home's energy efficiency. Over time, the seals around your windows can break down, allowing hot or cold air to leak in and out. In Gilbert, where temperatures soar during the summer, this can make your air conditioning system work overtime, leading to significantly higher energy bills. If you've noticed a sharp increase in your energy costs without any other major changes in your usage, your windows could be the culprit. New, energy-efficient windows can help regulate your home's indoor temperature, reduce your reliance on HVAC systems, and lower your energy bills. Look for windows with features such as low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled panes for added energy savings. 3. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. Do you feel cold drafts during the winter or hot air during the summer near your windows? If so, it's likely that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Broken or worn out seals, deteriorating weather stripping, or warped frames can all contribute to temperature fluctuations inside your home. In addition to making your home less comfortable, drafts can also force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy consumption. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient, properly sealed windows will help prevent drafts and maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round. 4. Condensation between window panes. If you notice condensation or fog forming between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, this is a clear sign that the window seal has failed. While condensation on the outside or inside of the glass can be a natural occurrence due to temperature differences, moisture between the panes indicates that the window's insulating seal has been compromised. This issue not only affects the appearance of your windows but also reduces their energy efficiency. Windows with broken seals no longer provide the insulation they were designed to offer, and the condensation can contribute to mold or mildew growth. Replacing windows with faulty seals will help restore insulation and prevent moisture-related issues. 5. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are difficult to open or close, or they stick when you try to adjust them, it could be a sign of underlying problems. Over time, window frames can warp due to moisture, age, or temperature fluctuations, making it harder to operate them properly. In some cases, the hardware may be worn out or damaged, preventing smooth operation. Not only is this an inconvenience, but it could also be a safety hazard in the event of an emergency, as you may not be able to open the windows quickly enough to exit or let in fresh air. If your windows are difficult to operate, it may be time to consider replacement. 6. Noise pollution. If you live in a busy area or near a street with high traffic, noise pollution can be a real concern. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, don't provide much insulation from external sounds. This can be particularly bothersome in Gilbert, where the noise from highways or construction can interfere with your peace and quiet at home. Modern, energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are designed to offer superior soundproofing. If your home's windows are letting in more noise than you'd like, replacing them with newer, soundproof options can greatly improve your indoor comfort and reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home. 7. Aging windows with outdated features. Even if your windows aren't visibly damaged or leaking, they may still be due for replacement if they are outdated. Older windows, particularly those installed decades ago, may not offer the same level of energy efficiency, security, or aesthetics as modern window designs. Over time, advancements in window technology, such as low emissivity glass, multi-pane construction, and energy-efficient coatings, have made new windows much more effective at insulating your home and reducing energy costs. Upgrading to modern windows can also give your home a fresh, updated look. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to improve the overall appearance of your home, new windows can enhance curb appeal and boost your home's value. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Gilbert home, it may be time to consider residential window replacement. Not only can replacing outdated or damaged windows improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort, but it can also enhance its security, curb appeal, and overall value. By investing in new, high-quality windows, you'll be able to enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and aesthetically pleasing home for years to come.